right, Sandra.
So the fringe, I really like doing fringe.
Yeah.
Okay, it really adds a lot and it gives it a little bit of texture and everything. And I like to see the fringe in these designs. It's really just makes it pop. But the hardest part is do I use water soluble thread? Do I use my own bobbin thread?
What are you talking about? Water soluble? Where?
Water
Top,
soluble
bottom?
thread on the bobbin.
Okay,
water
guys.
soluble in the bobbin.
All right.
And we're going to go over all of that. I'm going to show you both ways.
Okay.
So the fringe is this right here in the center. So there's a nice little center of the flower, and then the outside of it right there has some fringe. And then you also have this adorably cute outline stitch on the flower itself that I thought, I haven't seen that one. I really like it.
Yeah.
It's
Good.
really cute.
Good.
Turned out really nice. So that definitely is, it just thought it just adds, it gives a little bit more fullness, and I just thought it was really cute.
It really does. So something that is a little bit different on this one is we're not actually going around necessarily an applique itself, not the fabric on this one.
No.
Tell us what's different.
You're actually going around the stitching itself.
Okay.
So it'll give you a nice little center there, and then the fringe goes around the outside of that.
Okay, so do we keep the same color thread, or can we change it?
Well, that's what you have to decide. Okay. You have to change your color of thread if you don't have a water soluble bobbin.
Okay.
Okay. And the reason for that is because you got to cut that bobbin away, or with the water soluble, it's got to go away in order for it to make that fringe.
Okay, so I want to know in the comments how many of you have done fringe applique and how many have never even heard of it, perhaps. It would be interesting to know what your experience level is with this. So let's go ahead and get started, Sandra.
Okay, so what I've done here on this one here, I've finished the whole thing. And so we're going to back it up a little bit, and we're going to go back and just do the center of the flowers.
Okay.
But on your instructions, you're going to go to, on the top of page 5, you're going to go to step 16. It's a fill stitch for the flower center. So the first thing this is going to do,
Go ahead and do that.
Push green, and it's going to line that up, and it's going to do that center of the flower. We have regular white thread in our bobbin right now.
Okay, so nothing different.
Nothing different. This is totally
what you've been using throughout the whole process.
Correct.
Okay, so
that's really
the
quick and
center
easy.
has stitched out. It's has kind of a texture to it.
Right.
Yes, some little
like
dimples in the middle.
Right.
Okay.
So what we're going to do on this one is we're going to use water soluble thread.
Where?
In the bobbin.
In the bobbin.
Okay, so let's talk a little bit about water soluble thread.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
I love your bag.
I have my little bag right here, and you see it says
So
water
smart.
soluble. I've got my spool of thread, but I also have a bobbin. Okay, but I also have a sticky note in here. Why would I want a sticky note?
Oh,
What are you doing?
I have an idea, but I never thought of this. Do you put it on your machine
I
to tell
do.
you? Oh, brilliant.
I like that.
Sticky note. And
I
so
like
what
that.
I'm going to do here, I had a pen.
I never thought about that. It's right over
There it
here.
is. There it is. And I'm going to put right here, change
Okay, that's a great
Bobbin.
idea.
Why? Why don't you want to just leave it in there?
because if you ever leave that in and keep stitching, don't ever wash it.
Don't ever wash it.
Don't ever wash it.
Yeah, the joke
would
around
not be
here
good.
is don't sew your underwear with that.
So
Or your
Kris,
swim trunks.
I'm going to
Okay.
take that and I'm going to give that
like
to you,
this
and you
idea.
can just put that wherever you think
Okay.
you're going to
I'm gonna
need
put
it.
them right. I'm just going to put them right here.
The other thing that I've done here is I've taken my bobbin and I have put it in a special little clip, but I also have red marks. Whatever works for you is what needs to happen, but you definitely need to make sure that you know that that is water soluble bobbin. Okay, so on step number 17, it says a fringe satin stitch. But in bright red, thank you, Kris, bright red, it says to change the bobbin thread on this step to a different color or use a water-soluble thread. So,
Okay, guys, bright red.
Yes.
Like,
Yes.
I can't make it, go out any
go.
more than that.
That's
It's
right.
bright red.
I love your tips.
Yes.
Follow those instructions. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and remove my regular bobbin thread. Now I'm going to put in the one that Sandra has bright red. Thank you, Sandra. That is such a
It's a good thing
great
you have that on your
idea.
bobbin because you really can't tell by looking at them.
No,
But
you
it's-
cannot tell the difference.
Yeah.
Now,
yet.
Sandra, and while I'm getting this put in, another thing I noticed about your thread is that you have it in a bag. Why is that?
I have it in a bag. First of all, separate it from my others. But also, if you live in anywhere that has any kind of a humidity,
Yeah.
water-soluble thread definitely has a tendency to grab that moisture, and then it will stick together, and then you're got to have a different one. You got to throw it away and start again.
Yeah.
So yes.
Okay,
So I
so-
keep it in a bag. I keep it separate from any of my other thread, any of my other bobbins, and I want to make sure I know that that's what it is.
Okay, so we've got some really important tips here. One, put it in a bag.
Yes.
And seal it.
Especially if you have humidity in your area.
Yes.
Utah, not so much.
so
I mean, we're
much.
pretty dry,
Yeah.
so it stays pretty safe. But anywhere else you have humidity, I highly recommend it.
2, mark your bobbin.
Yes.
3, put a note.
Yes.
Which is not a bad idea. And let's see. Other than, and use water-soluble thread in the bobbin if you're going to do it that way.
Okay, so now what are you going to do, Kris? What are you going to do,
What am
Kris?
I going to do? I'm going to pray that this works.
Change your bobbin.
Change my bobbin thread. But it won't work if I'm not changing my bobbin thread.
Wow. The reason I say that is because you're going to get busy doing something else and you're going to forget.
It's so
It's
true.
true.
Okay.
So here we go. Now, normally I would wait and do this at the very end. Okay, but
for
it's
today,
not.
we're going to do
we're
it
not
different.
We're going to do this.
Okay.
So there's a couple of ways you can do it. Okay, I highly recommend a fabric folding pin that says water on it. Okay, I have one
I
of
love
these
that.
and I use it for a lot of different things, but this one says water on it.
Okay.
So what you're going to do is you're going to flip this to the back here.
So you just have water, no solution.
There's no solution or
water.
anything. That's just water.
smart.
That's why it's marked
Yep,
that way.
I like that.
Okay, and then you can just take this and just kind of outline. You can see a little bit of white in that pink and in that
Right.
yellow, also in that blue. So I'm just going to take this and just kind of get it wet. And I'm going to just let it sit for a couple seconds because it works out really well. You can use a spray bottle. You definitely could use a spray bottle. And then I'm going to take just the end of my stiletto here and just kind of scratch it like that.
Oh, interesting. I've never done it that way.
You
But
can
I
use
like that, so
you
that
can
it-
use a purple thing works really great.
Yes, it does.
Okay. But as I'm doing this, do you see what's happening here?
It's coming
pulling
loose.
away.
Yeah, it is. And look how quick it's coming loose.
Sandra, I do like the fact that you do have your hand underneath there.
Well, because I still have to go further and I don't
Yeah.
want this to come out of the hoop.
Exactly.
Yeah. Now, if it were at the very end and it was already out of the hoop, then it wouldn't matter.
Yeah.
But yeah, I definitely, and I give it some pressure just like that.
Okay.
Okay, you can see how that's just coming apart like that, can't you?
Sure.
Yes.
Okay.
If you need to add a little bit
If
more
you
water,
definitely
you
can, and I think this one needs a little bit
I've also
more.
used spray bottles.
spray bottle.
Which works great too.
Spray bottle gets a lot more wet than what is totally necessary, but I like this. And so I'm just going to do that, okay? So
Okay.
that brings that out.
All right. So what do we do on the front?
Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip this over and I'm going to come back to the front and I can do this, but my stiletto works really nice.
Yes, look at that. Just pop
I like
out.
that.
See how my stiletto will
right
just
out.
come right out.
Yes.
Look how quick that comes. Okay, and then if I see any that
cute.
are still stuck in there, I can just go in there and pop that up
Yeah.
like that with my stiletto. Just kind of pull it back
Uh-huh.
and pop those up just like that. That one was easy, wasn't it?
It was.
Yeah.
like
Let's
it.
go to this
Super
one. It's a
easy.
little bit more trying.
Okay. And why is that?
Because then you have to be really careful not to cut any of the fringe also on this one.
Right.
Okay, so you can see where I've got my red around that flower. You can see the
This
red.
is your
That's my
bobbin
bobbin.
thread.
I just used a red bobbin thread. Okay.
And did that come through on the front, the red?
No, it did not. Oh, well,
No,
you can't see it.
No, that's right.
Kimberbell's tweezers are great
Yes.
because they have that beveled edge on it.
Right.
And so it kind of helps cut your thread a little bit. So
Okay.
you can take your Kimberbells and just kind of underneath that, and you can kind of see where I've got some of my bobbin. And I'm going to just kind of push that until I get that out. Okay.
So you're pulling the red
And
out.
I'm pulling the red. Yeah.
Just cutting the red right through.
Yeah, and I'm going to come here. Now, sorry,
Yeah.
glasses.
And with water-soluble thread, you don't have to
I don't
worry
wear
about the
glasses,
glasses.
do you? And then I'm going to kind of just pull this up here. I can also just take my scissors here and do it like that. And just cut those, that you see where I'm cutting that red thread. But you can see this takes a little bit more time.
Do you
and
feel
a
like
little
you're
bit-
performing surgery?
I
or something?
do. I'm going to flip it around here.
Pull out those corners, right?
Pop those out like that.
Okay. And then you're just pulling out the fringe.
Yes.
I
and
love
then-
it.
And
so
then I will.
we get the same end result
Yes, you do.
no matter what.
Yes.
It's just what is the step that makes it a little bit easier? I think it's water-soluble thread
you can
for
see
the win.
that just is coming out. See how that just comes right out?
It does.
But you can see, yes, that was done in a matter of seconds.
Exactly.
This takes a little bit more tedious work to do it that way. So yeah.
Okay.
So there
I
you go.
love that.